Dongfeng's all-new large 6-seat SUV on par with the ideal L7 is launched with two powertrains. The first model of Dongfeng Yipai series Yipai 007 was officially released in March. The new car is positioned as a medium and large SUV. The size is the same as the ideal L7. The new car will be officially introduced at the opening of the Beijing Auto Show at the end of this month. The overall appearance of the new car is very simple and elegant. The body lines are simple and smooth, and some details have a good sense of sophistication. The general shape of the front face is quite striking. The headlights have piercing shapes. The visual effect is also very elegant. He pointed out that the latest automobile logo also has a light source that can be lit. The general lines of the side of the car body have a very solid style, and the tail has a vertical front shape that looks very large. Looking at the details, the D-pillar is quite wide and thick, and there is a unique-looking decorative strip at the top that runs through the rear side windows and rear window. The waistline is quite simple and capable. The upper parts of the wheel arches use a very three-dimensional rib shape, and the door handles have a pop-up design. In terms of size, the length, width and height of this Yipai 008 are 5002/1972/1732 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 3025 mm. The overall shape of the rear part is very heavy. The shape of the taillight reflects the headlights, and the internal light source structure is very unique. The rear bumper has an all-over black trim strip in the middle, and the subframe is painted in the same color as the body. There are cup holders and a mobile phone wireless charging panel at the front of the table, which has an instrument panel and a large central control screen and a hollow storage area at the bottom. Has a good sense of class. The new car will be powered by a fully electric and plug-in extended-range hybrid. The pure electric version will be equipped with an engine with a maximum power of 200 kilowatts and a cruising range of 636 kilometers. The plug-in extended-range hybrid model is equipped with a 1.5T extended-range motor with a maximum power of 108 kilowatts, a maximum motor power of 200 kilowatts and a pure electric range of 154 kilometers.